Where did Sam go? There's no sign of him. Where's he hiding? Aha! Gotcha, Sammy!
That's not fair, Sue. That was my best disguise.
Perhaps, but the color is nothing like a cactus at all.
Good macaroons. What a blunder.
Next time, you won't miss that. However, you did give me an idea for a new craft.
Seriously? Then come on, let's go.
Take off your thorns first. Hi guys! Today our craft theme is gonna be very sharp and thorny.
Carefully. Out of my way, thorns. I'll prick myself.
Do you like our company today, Sammy?
True to say, it doesn't look very friendly.
Have some hot chocolate and all your worries will be gone. But be careful, it's rather…
Susan, it was really good. Cacti don't seem to be a problem anymore.
Wow, not a drop left. Well, that's good. Let's see if we can use your cup for the craft.
You still haven't said what we're gonna make.
Oh, Sam, we're going to make cup coasters. Draw a circle. It must be larger than the cup's diameter.
All the fuss is about that? Why do we need them anymore? Oopsie. Good macaroons. I didn't mean to, I swear.
We need them exactly for this. The cup won't slide or heat the table. Also, our coasters will be just like cacti.
These prickly monsters! This isn't gonna work.
I'll prove to you that cacti are actually very cute. Now give me the cutter, please.
Alright, I'll take your word. Here you are, Sue.
Thank you, Sammy. Guys, remember to be very careful working with the cutter, not to cut yourself.
Sue is a master at it, and you can ask an adult to help.
Phew! Done. Now I can finish my chocolate… Sammy, that was my hot chocolate.
Guys, we'll be back soon. Oh, I gotta go!
Let's check if the coasters are sturdy enough. It won't break. Good. But to make it even sturdier, let's connect two pieces together.
How can I help you? I can do things too.
That is a good idea. You can, test all the other pieces.
Shiver me cheddars, if that's a challenge, I accept it. Alright. Just come on. I need something more. Checked it. I'm not even tired. Oh, I'm awesome. If you support our show, give a thumbs up, yo. Sam enjoys his work. Your like will be his perk.
Go, Sammy, go, Sammy, go! That was fun. Our pieces are almost ready. Sammy, did you want to add something?
I've got one great idea. Draw a notch right there.
Here? Right? Okay. What do you need it for?
I'll tell you later. Can't I have some secrets?
All right. I wonder what you're up to. A little more. Done. We'll make the same notches in every coaster. We did great, Sam! Do you agree with me?
I'm not Sam, I'm Salvador Dali, Miss Susan. Let the creative work begin. This way. Here. There we go.
Sammy, I think you got too much into character.
Not my problem. I'm an artiste. That's how I see Cactus.
Why don't you try some realism? It can also be rather interesting and modern, you know.
Fine, I'm all ears. Show me what realism is.
Okay, first, let's make a plain background. Follow me, guys. Perfect. While the paint is drying, let's choose a cactus we're going to draw.
I like this one. We'll draw it from nature.
Let's see. The model is ready. Shall we start? Make the same drawing on the other side. When the paint dries, apply some paint to the sides. The first one is done. We've got so many coasters ahead.
Sue, I prepared and drew several sketches.
Well done, Sam. Let's see what you've got.
I'm gonna be famous. Guys, subscribe to our channel not to miss a grand auction.
Oops, there's not enough paint. I need to take a break.
And I'm gonna draw a bit more. Mademoiselle, stand still.
The coasters are almost ready. Now we're going to draw a pattern. Check out the funny thorns this cactus has. Let's try to draw them. I think it's pretty close. Looks cute, right?
And this is how I painted that cactus. You can see the touch of a master.
Sammy, how modest you are. Adorable, Sammy, look! The thorns on this one grow in different directions.
Dibs on this one. Oh, it's gonna be cool.
Very ingenious. I really like it. Let's check out all the cacti we drew. Guys, do you remember these notches we cut out before?
It's time to show you their purpose.
But first, we need to cut a little more. This time I came prepared. Draw an octagon. I'm sure you already know how to do it. Sammy, you're blocking the view. Scoot over.
Really? Oopsie. Indeed. Sorry, guys. Voila! Check out how quick we are.
And now watch my hands.
Hey! Where did it go? Don't we need it?
A bit later, we're going to make another base first.
Oh, it looks like a crisp bread. Yummy. I guess I'm hungry. Where can I find some food? Where is my prey? Slime is on the hunt. Gotcha! Oopsie, what did I do? She was gonna kill me.
Oh, just in time. I was gonna cut it.
Phew, that was close. No more hunting.
Sammy, take this base and find a pot it can fit into.
Alright, let's try. This one's too small. Holy cannoli, what do I do now? Careful!
Sounds like Sammy got into some trouble again. I need to color a bit more. Can you guys check on Sam?
Now I really do look like a plant. Searching for a target. Aha! Target acquired! Sue, I found a suitable pot. That was not easy.
Great job, Sam. Let's check how good your eye is. Yay! Perfect! Thank you, Sammy. Now let's apply some glue right here. Ooh, I'm having deja vu. What now?
Sue, don't you understand? It's a performance art. Lovey and pretty.
Well, guys, let the art speak. After that, we'll continue. The performance is over. Let's get back to work. It looks as though our cactus grows from soil. Do you want to see it grown? We're gonna show you now. This is why we needed the notches. It fits perfectly.
Cool idea, right? I'm a real genius. Bloop, 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 bloop. Grow our cactus, big or small. Better big, of course.
Sammy, it seems to me like you love cacti. Are you not afraid of thorns anymore?
Hey, turns out they're real fun. Guys, give a thumbs up if you agree.
Yummy. Sammy, is that you? How was it?
Not accepted. They need a more realistic drawing. I tried to explain this cactus really exists, but they didn't believe me.
Oh, let's try to cheer you up, Sammy.
What are you doing?
There, I posted our handiwork on Instagram. Look, people like our crafts here. Well, do you feel better now?
A lot. Thanks, Sue. And thank you, guys. Subscribe subscribe to our channel and give a thumbs up.
And have a nice tea party. Bye now!